Wait, a truck driver working on a ship? Sounds weird, right? But it's actually a real job. On RoRo vessels, which stands for roll on, roll off. Trucks and trailers are literally driven on and off the ship. No cranes, no lifting. Just driving cargo like you're on a floating parking deck. And that's exactly why ships need truck drivers on board. Your job is to safely move vehicles inside the vessel during loading and discharging operations. It's a key role, especially on busy European routes where time and efficiency are everything. Now here's the opportunity. We're currently hiring a truck driver for an Italy-flagged RoRo vessel joining ASAP, with a 4 months on and 1.5 months off rotation. Salary is around 3,300 euros. But here's the important part. You must have a valid seaman book and a DE or CE driving license to qualify. So, if you've got experience driving heavy vehicles and you're ready to take it to the next level, working at sea, this could be for you. Send your CV to candinagroup.com and let's get you on board.